Hello there, I'm Christina Starmer.
I'm Jeff Starmer.
You have to continue.
No, you.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Christina Starmer.
I'm Jeff Starmer, and we're here to tell you 5 things that you don't know about us. Why are we doing this?
Because it's good for people to know who they're dealing with before we start to work on their house.
Makes sense.
Number 1, I love animals. Dogs, cats, raccoons, possums, doesn't really matter. I just love them all. Number 2, I paraglided off of the Swiss Alps 2 years ago. That was pretty cool. Number 3, one funny thing that you probably don't know is that Jeff is the guy who runs the cruise, and I'm actually the one that's the contractor, even though the homeowners usually think that he's the contractor, which is fine, just wanted you to know. My favorite snack food is cereal, all kinds, doesn't matter. I have about 12 clear jars of it at home. And lastly, Jeff and I have been married over 25 years.
All right, my things would probably be in the order of the fact that I've had probably 4 50s era Ford, Chevys, and Dodge pickups. I'm a pickup man, I guess. And on my 40th birthday, I was allowed to drive 184 miles an hour in a NASCAR. Very exciting. And recently, I have walked the whole distance in Ireland on the Cliffs of Moher, which was awesome. In my next life, I would love to learn how to weld. And also, number 5 is the fact that I am an absolute sugarholic. So leave candy around.
So now you know a little bit more about us. We can't wait to work with you. Google us, check us out on our Facebook, or check us out on our website. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.